Jumbo everybody. In today's video, I have a 15-minute house cleaning pickup here. I had such a busy weekend this weekend that I felt like on Monday I couldn't do a thing until I at least got some of my house picked up and put away. You ever have those weekends where you're just so busy and then Monday comes and you're like, no, I can't do anything yet until I at least get some semblance of order in the house? This was one of those days. So this is actually 3 loads of laundry that had accumulated clean sitting in a laundry basket waiting for me to put it away. So it was time to put it away. And I had also changed the sheets on the bed maybe the day before this or 2 days before, something like that. So those were clean and ready to be folded and put away too. But you ever have those days you just can't do anything? Yeah, this was one of them. So just getting all of my clothes separated and folded, getting these sheets separated and folded out from there as well. I'm going to put all the clothes away in the closet and put the sheets away too. And I just wanted to make the bed, like not fancy, just put the pillows on the bed and straighten the comforter. I was in no place to be able to get all fancy and nicely folded corners. Okay, so let's go out to the kitchen. So we had run the dishwasher the night before, so I needed to get that unloaded and put away. And then I also had some leftover dishes from the night before in the sink waiting for me to put those in the dishwasher. It was very anti-fly lady of me to leave dirty dishes in the sink. So if you can see, do you see my phone sitting on the counter there? Isn't that funny? So I am actually a moderator for a YouTube channel called Spokes Maine. It's Chris and his girlfriend Jen. They live down in Orlando and they do live streaming from the Disney parks pretty much every single day. And I'm one of their moderators for their live streams. I get rid of all the nasty trolls and things that kind of lurk around the live streams. And so I had missed the live stream from the day before because I was out doing things that evening. And so I was catching up on it. But it's funny just to see like how it's moving around and everything at this high speed. Not to mention me like washing these dishes at lightning speed. But anyway, it's just funny to see all that. He was streaming happily ever after from the Magic Kingdom, and I was just catching up on that. So anyway, just going to rinse the dishes and put them in the dishwasher. And then I had 2 cast iron pans that needed to be rinsed out as well. Not washed out because that would strip off the, what do they call it, seasoning, but just rinsed off with all the food particles, get that out of there. And then just finish loading up the dishwasher with everything else and rinsing out the sink of food particles and run the dishwasher and run the little aerator in-sink gator thing. Alrighty, so now I needed to spray down my counters and my stove with my Thieves Cleaner. You notice that I just did not care about my basil sitting there. I'll just spray my Thieves Cleaner and don't even worry about it. Not even concerned. So just gonna wipe up the Thieves Cleaner with my paper towels there, and then also clear off some of the clutter that had accumulated on my counters as well, and also pick up those towels there that are on the floor. When I have a bad habit of throwing towels that are used and like ready to be washed on the floor there. Does anybody else do that in their kitchen where you're just like, okay, time to replace the towels, and then they just pile up? Maybe it's just me, I don't know. So anyway, I put the towels in the hamper and then wanted to change out the liner here in the trash can. Get that freshened up too. I put a piece of paper towel in there with a little bit of peppermint and tangerine in there. And then I was about 5 minutes to go. This was about 10 minutes in, and I just decided to go ahead and pick up whatever I could in the family room. You can see I put earbuds in. So here's a little tidbit about me. I have sensory issues with thunder. So it had just started storming, and so I was like, nope, not gonna do it. So I put in my earbuds so that I could continue to listen to the live stream without being bothered by the thunder. Anyway, little things about me you never knew. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the pillows back and fold up this blanket here and pretty much call it a day. So that is my 15-minute pickup. I hope that inspires you guys to do a 15-minute pickup as well. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Happy cleaning, and I will see you all tomorrow. Ciao.